Welcome to the Residual Income System, building wealth on autopilot. In today's fast-paced world, financial independence and security have become paramount aspirations for individuals seeking a life of freedom and abundance. Many dream of escaping the confines of a traditional 9-to-5 job and creating a sustainable income stream that allows them to live life on their terms. If you are one of those individuals yearning for financial liberation, then this book is your key to unlocking the secrets of residual income and building a prosperous future. In this digital age, the concept of residual income has gained tremendous popularity, offering a pathway to financial freedom unlike any other. Residual income, also known as passive income, refers to the income that continues to flow in over time with minimal effort or active involvement from the earner. It is the result of setting up systems and investments that generate ongoing cash flow, even when you're not actively working. This book is designed to guide you through the fundamental principles and proven strategies behind the residual income system, empowering you to create your own automated wealth-building machine. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur, a busy professional, or someone exploring new opportunities, the concepts presented here will equip you with the knowledge and tools to set up passive income streams that can transform your financial future. Within these pages, we will delve into a wide range of income-generating assets and explore the key factors that contribute to their success. From real estate investments and dividend-paying stocks to digital products and online businesses, you will discover a plethora of possibilities to suit your interests, skills, and resources. We will also delve into the mindset and habits required to cultivate a resilient and sustainable residual income system, ensuring long-term success. But this book is not merely a theoretical guide. It is a practical roadmap that will take you step by step through the process of creating your own residual income streams. With actionable strategies, case studies, and practical exercises, you will gain the confidence and clarity needed to make informed decisions and take meaningful action towards your financial goals. Whether your objective is to achieve financial independence, retire early, provide for your family, or have more time and freedom to pursue your passions, the residual income system holds the key to unlocking a life of abundance. It's time to break free from the shackles of financial insecurity and embrace a future where your money works for you, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Join me as we explore the vast world of residual income and unlock the secrets to building wealth on autopilot. Let's set sail towards a brighter, wealthier future together.